Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at Muscat Street, Bugis. There's a kind of Muslim Ramadan fair, so let's check it out. This is the first time attending such a fair. I can really smell the food already. One thing I like about Singapore is the sunset time is actually quite long. It's like 7 p.m. Still you can see the sunlight, right? It's still daytime. By other countries like Vietnam and Thailand, it's already sunset. And look at that, so many more foreigner crowd right here. Wow, this place I think it's quite big, you know. I mean the fair itself, I think over 50 stores. So we are going in right. Check it out, man. There's a Muslim international visitors as well as locals. Jack is the first store we see here. Now there's a queue for the satay. New menu, Oda. And the beef roti, chicken roti right here. It's a nice little ball of roti. Now we have some more food here. Laksa goreng, pizza goreng, 7 pieces of fried about one moist cakes. What's this, man? Mandi house? I think it's kind of biryani menu. The biryani menu. Ocha matcha, what a nice thing, man. Some fried food over here. Super rami burgers. $49.90 tomahawk nasi lemak. Dirty fried $12 dirty neck. So the food is right here. A nice string, look at the corn thing. The bandung. And guess what? We just barely started. Inside there are lots of stores, man. And where's the mosque? The mosque is just inside. I mean, up there. More super burger, rami. Just now there's a store, right? They sell similar stuff or something like ayam kucing. Now the drinks. Malam rolls. What's this, man? Pasta. Oh man, look at this area, man. Overstretch, how many meters there? Coconut, sugarcane juice, watermelon. Some tacos right here. Roti langkit. The first roti kukus in Penang. Slashy prashy. That's nice things like Mummy or 7-Eleven, the slurpee. Mango, watermelon, corn, calamari. I think this side is a drink, man. And last one is Chinese Muslim food. I think it's a roti, man. Crispy chicken roti, yogurt. 行不行？好，新疆后面给黄水。 So this is there's a combo, no? This roti plus the drink, $12. There's even a homemade silky yogurt right here. And the price over there. You don't lock, right? I think it's like from the China concept, BBQ tours. So you choose a lot from the fridge inside, no? Like they counted the price like per stick is how much. Broccoli, katsu, and right here the portion wraps. It's like an ice cream right here, the fee. But here is some kind of drink, a matcha latte. So let's check out the other side, man. They actually closed the road, no, car park for this from 4 March to 19 March. They call it the Kampong Gelam. Sounds like Kampong Gelam, right? And look at the majestic malls of Jalan Sultan malls. It's just so magnificent. That's just lacking the chanting now. Wow. Inside there are some more. It's a very big space. Many stores here. I saw the kebab corner. Let's check out what they have here, man. Other non-food items and maybe some performance and fashion show, man. Right here in front. Selling the cookies. Waru Manbaba. I like the French hot, man. $5. Oh, that's actually a big packet. Oh. Keropok, Lika Mini, and it's a place for makan and some of the clothes here. Oh, actually it looks nice, man. Surprisingly, I don't think these are the men's stuff here, man. All I see is the women's clothes. And some of the smaller, the other food stores here. Mr. Barang. Oh, bang kuat.
Pertama, pertama. Beef pertama.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So big. Hey, it looks nice. This is the beef fry, the beef roti. Great visit today in Ramadan Fair. It is Kampong Gelam or Kampong Gelam Ramadan Fair 2026. Thanks everyone for watching this simple video. Please take care. I'd like to see you guys in my next video. Alright, and by the way, happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Once again, Ramadan Fair. Alright guys, bye.